I love nursing. It's very different every day. Like, you're not walking into the same office every day doing the same thing. It's very diverse and you meet patients from all walks of life, from all different countries. Like, it's really good. And then to know at the end of the day that you contributed to helping them get better and get back to their normal life it's nice.
It's important to have a good career that you can focus on, and it's very, very important to be happy in that career, because if you're not happy, then your life is crap.
We didn't have opportunities or anything like that for careers. We just came out of school and we took whatever job was available to us. But now there's more opportunities for the kids.
To me, it's kids who live in a more disadvantaged area, but the things they do in school and like their exam scores and stuff, they're well capable of like moving on into third level education, and their standards, they're better than the area they live in.
I feel the Challenger programme helped prepare me for university in the sense that I had no idea about university at all. None of my family had ever been to university, so it was a big jump for all of us. University, you have to depend on yourself, you know, no one makes sure you're there, no one makes sure you've done your assignments. You will achieve it if you put the work in, and I thought that was a very honest, good thing to have said because it really helped me.
I think that what makes the Challenger programme good for me, as a parent with 3 children that have already gone through the Challenger programme, was the knowledge that I got. The knowledge that I got to help them go to college, and the support I got. To know that there was always someone at the end of the phone, and that if there was forms to be filled in, it was already there. And the information, all the information that we got in simple form to help them get to where they wanted to go.
It also builds the child's confidence. Some children coming into the Challenger programme have low self-esteem, don't speak out, wouldn't stand up in a crowd and speak, where the Challenger programme will help them with that from 6th class right to 6th year.
The Challenger programme is needed to help get people from our area, both adults and kids, into third level education. Dublin 17 and Dublin 5 are probably one of the lowest represented areas in third level education. And the Challenger programme helps to break that cycle. People not going to third level and then their kids not going to third level. It helps to break that, get people into third level.
If I could give any advice to someone who's thinking or on the fence about joining the Challenger programme, it would be to just do it. Just go for it. You've nothing to lose, only to gain. It's amazing. There's a lot of success stories from it. I haven't heard one bad word about it. I couldn't recommend it enough. I have my own nieces and nephews. 3 of them currently qualify in the area for it, and one of them is in it at the moment, and she loves it. And she really feels like she can achieve anything, any job prospect she feels that she can achieve, which I think is one of the biggest things the Challenger programme does. It really encourages children to fulfil all of their potential. So just do it. There's nothing to lose.